Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Kira Stars and Beauty. I hope you all are doing well. So guys, I'm on vacation in Sydney and I thought why not to share my makeup routine while I'm on vacation. So without wasting any time, let's just jump into this video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start with this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I've heard a lot of things about this one and finally I got my hands on it. I got it from Kmart and I'm just gonna use this much. Mainly I'm gonna focus on the areas where I have pores. Now I'm done with my primer. Let's just jump into foundation, or you can take any of your concealer. I'm gonna use this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 shade. Number is 03 Light Beige. So I'm gonna take just a tiny bit of foundation, not much. I'm gonna apply this foundation underneath my eyes, and I have a spot here. Forehead, around my nose a bit, and I'm gonna blend it out with my fingers only. I'm done with my foundation and now I'm gonna use this Maybelline's Cheek Heat blush. Gonna blend it on my hand first and then I'm using my hands only to blend everything. I like to use the blush on my nose as well. Looks very cute. And for the powder, I'm going to use this Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. With a fluffy brush, I'm going to set everything. I'm leaving the area where I've applied the blush because I'm going to use powder blush on the top of it. That way my blush will stay for longer. Now to set my blush, I'm going to use this Milani's Luminoso blush, my all-time favorite. This one. And on my blush brush. Okay, so this is all for my face. Let's just move on to my eyes now. First of all, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Full Brows Brow Clay. And I'm gonna use this brush it comes with. Firstly, I'm gonna brush my eyebrows and I'm gonna dip my brush into the pomade. Now I'm gonna set my eyebrows with this Brow Artist plumper so it will stay in place. And now I'm gonna set my face with this Maybelline's Lasting Fix spray. Now for my eyes, I got this Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette in the shade Armed and Gorgeous. I just bring only one palette with me and this one because I love this palette so much. The colors are gorge. Look at this. So I'm gonna use this shade here, Secure. I'm gonna work into my crease in the circular motion. I'm gonna blend this color. And that's it for my eyelids. Now I'm gonna take this small brush and I'm going to use this shade VIP here to highlight my inner corners and brow bone. That's it with the eyeshadow palette. And now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. This eyelash curler. I'm gonna use this mascara. Finally, I got my hands on this one. This is Maybelline New York Sky High Mascara. Everybody on the internet was raving about this mascara and I had to try it. And actually, I've tried it twice and I just loved the result. And my eyelashes were like all day, all night. I just applied it once and it's magic, guys. And the only thing with this mascara is that it takes a lot of efforts to get it off. Whenever I apply this mascara, I'm just rubbing off my eyes. Like, I think I need to try another makeup remover for my eyes. Let's just apply this mascara. I love the results of this mascara. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at my lashes. It looks so good. So good. I'm obsessed. But the only thing is that I struggle a lot when it's come to take it off. Let me know if you guys have any suggestion that how I can take this mascara off easily out of my eyes. But guys, so look at my eyes. I am in love with this mascara so much. And for my lips, I'm going to use this MAC's Devoted to Jelly powder lipstick. And the top of it, I'm going to use this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Fighter. And I'm gonna apply just a little bit. That's it. And I'm going to blend this with my finger. So guys, this is the final makeup look. This look was so easy to create and it was so quick with minimal products only. Most of the products I've used are new to my collection and I absolutely love all of them. Please let me know your thoughts on this makeup look and I'll see you in my next one.